So, hi dear Libra, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is Journal Love reading for all the Libra, Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 7th till the 13th of April. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, not your story. Want to be reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions? You can check out the description box. You'll find the links below. For the best healing modality of the whole universe, Ho'oponopono masterclass link is given below. And if you want to start your self-love 30 days challenge course, the link is given below. So let's start, Libra. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. We have the Seven of Swords. Today this card is coming a lot. What is happening? I don't know. Someone is like someone here is feeling like either they should reveal something to you about someone or something, and or they feel like you're hiding something from them and they got to know about it. There's a sense of deceptiveness in this energy. Let me clarify the Seven of Swords. Someone is trying to sneak away from the situation, maybe. Okay, let's clarify to get the clear picture of what is happening. We have the Ten of Pentacles, the Four of Pentacles, the Two of Pentacles, Lord of Pentacles. First of all, it could be possible that someone here is trying to do some kind of financial fraud with somebody behind their back. Somebody is trying to steal some kind of finances, financial resources, or something like this. And this person is feeling like they should not tell you about it at all, and they should keep doing it on and off, in and out, so that you will not be able to understand what the actual heck is going on. This is a very tricky energy, Libra. Someone here is stealing from you in some way, and they are kind of doing it so smartly that you will never be able to understand what the actual heck happened. And still they are on and off, in and out of your energies. For some of you, it's literal money, financial resources. For others of you, they're trying to steal something from you, maybe your stability, maybe your security, maybe your safety, or they're just trying to make a fool out of you by pretending that everything is okay. But in all honesty, it's something very deceptive. My God, I hate these kind of readings. Wow, this is someone who is kind of not in your life in a linear way. They are always on and off, in and out. Today they are here, tomorrow they are not, then they are here, they are not. That kind of energy. And this person is feeling like sneaking away after stealing from you, but not completely. What is happening here, Libra? Show me something good, Baba, please. So, let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side? Six of Swords. So from your side, you feel like moving on towards calmer water and not even thinking about this situation anymore because you're kind of tired and fed up. What is happening? Let's clarify the Six of Swords. This person is stealing so smartly from you that till now you might not have understood what they are actually doing. But now you're getting it. Slowly, very slowly but surely. We have the Four of Wands, the Justice, and the Ten of Wands, right? You feel like dropping a situation where all you're getting is burdensome and heavy kind of energies, and you definitely feel like doing the right thing here, choosing the right energy here. And choosing the right energy means like moving on from the situation, because this is something that's never going to give you something long term, something stable, something secure. So you feel like letting it go, because the more you try to fix it, the more it's kind of weighing you down, and you are tired now, you are done with this now. Yeah, you're telling me this, and I can feel it. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Six of Pentacles. Their intention is to balance it out somewhere, like somewhat with you. Wow. There's a lack of balance in the situation. They want to have a balance in the situation somehow. So the cheater, that kind of, I don't know why I'm getting traitor word. The traitor wants justice, wants balance. What the hell? Let's clarify the Six of Pentacles. It's a very weird reading. Like maybe in so many years I have never done this kind of reading. Like maybe 6 years ago I had a similar kind of reading for a client. They want to balance it out with you. Meanwhile, dealing with something else or someone else also behind the scenes. What the actual heck is going on, Libra? What kind of person you are dealing with? Leave them and never look behind. This person, this energy is not good for you. They want to balance it out with you and with something else or someone else also, and they don't want to even tell you that they are having something else or someone else behind your back that they're dealing with. They just want to balance it out with both of you. This is giving me very, very sad vibes. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Libra? We have the Two of Wands. You just want to wait and watch. You don't want to operate in these kind of energies. You don't want to move beyond the, like move forward, but at the same time you don't want to go back. You just want to wait and watch what's happening. Let me clarify the Two of Wands. We have the Six of Swords, the Ten of Cups, and the Queen of Cups. Okay, you want to slowly but surely move towards calmer water, finding your happily ever after, and being in in your own love. You don't want to reveal too much about your feelings, about your plans, about your energies to anything or anyone right now. Just want to keep moving ahead in your life towards your peace, towards your happiness, and towards the self-love, self-care, self-healing kind of energy also. Let's see what's coming towards it till the 13th of April. What could be the possible outcome here? You just want to like slowly but surely get out of a situation where you are not getting anything apart from pain and burdensome and heavy energies, and you just want to keep moving forward without even telling anybody, and you just want to do your own thing. Nine of Cups. It's like your heart chakra opening up, like bursting wide open in a particular direction. Let me clarify the Nine of Cups. We have the Empress, the Four of Cups, and the Queen of Swords. Yes, you are going to do, like you are going to cut every kind of disappointment or disappointments out of your life, out of your system, and you are going to be open to your own growth and expansion and your happiness. It's like you finding the key to your happiness within yourself and letting go of the people, situations, and things that's giving you nothing or less, nothing more than stress and anxiety and disappointment. So you're cutting the disappointments out of your life and you're heading towards your growth, expansion, and your own wish fulfillment, your own happiness right now with yourself only. Right now, I don't see a person or energy by your side that you're sharing your happiness with. Right now, you are just by your own self and you're kind of liking it because you know what you want to remove out of your system so that you can find real happiness, and you're doing it. You're taking the charge of your life and you are just heading towards happiness. Wow. Thank God. Finally, you are giving me something good to look upon. For you, the guidance here is the Five of Swords. Your mind is going to play tricks on you, where your mind is continuously going to tell you to stay wherever you are or stay in your comfort zone and not to go out of this situation, because maybe the other side is more horrible. The other side is not like a known territory. So your mind is going to play tricks with you to not to let you go towards the unknown territories that you need to explore in order to find the real happiness. Do not listen to your mind. Your mind is right now is a very messy territory, very messy energy. The more you are going to listen to your mind, the more it's going to be messier for you to make the choice and make the right decision. Okay, understood the point here? So yeah, this is what I have for you. Hope this helps. If you are interested in 30 days self-love challenge, you can check out the course link below. Thank you. God bless you. Namaste.